Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, MikeTheTechSavvy. I will be unboxing today this Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which is pretty much the most powerful Galaxy flagship that's out right now, and definitely the most powerful Samsung device with a headphone jack. So let's start this unboxing by taking a look at the box itself, which is pretty normal for Samsung. As I said, this device is the S10 Plus, prism blue color, and yes, this is the European version, so the G975F. The specs are right here, pretty normal for basically, well, any other S10 Plus. 128GB of internal memory, 8GB of RAM, the standard 12 megapixel dual pixel camera, 16 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel telephoto with OIS, 2 selfie cameras, ultrasonic fingerprint in the display, and of course IP68 water and dust resistance, just like all of the recent Samsung Galaxy devices. So let's just see what's in the box. This is how the phone comes, with this very nice plastic thingy that you can remove it with. Yeah, the phone is quite nice, to be honest. It looks really good. This is the blue variant. It's, well, quite nice in color. It makes very nice reflections in the sunlight. On the front you have this huge display. On the back you have the triple camera right here. This is the flash, and of course, as all Samsung flagships in the recent years, you do have the heart rate sensor. This is a dual phone, so it's a dual SIM. On the bottom, the standard headphone jack, USB Type-C, microphone and speaker. On the left side, volume keys, Bixby button. On the top, SIM card tray and SD card tray, another microphone, and on the right, the power button, which sits quite high. This phone, well, seems a little big for me, but luckily right now you don't really need to press the power button in order to wake the phone up, so you don't have to hold it like this. You can simply unlock it by tapping on the fingerprint sensor here. I will talk a bit more about this in the full review that I'll be doing. This is a start screen, nothing special, we'll just skip through it. I won't be setting anything up, I just want to give you a quick look. Let's just see what kind of security patch we have right now. So right now we do have the September security patch and Android 9, so it's still Android Pie. Let's now take a quick look in the box. So we do have the charger, which for this color variant is white, as all the other accessories. Of course, it's the typical 15-watt charger that Samsung offers. It's nothing special like in the Note 10 box. We do have the USB on the go adapter here with a Type-C port here. What else here? I guess we have the cable and the adapter, so micro USB to USB Type-C, which is nice. And I see that they've placed it here. Before, for the S9, I guess it was here separated from the cable itself. And here we have the headphones, which are AKG tuned. They are pretty good quality. This was the unboxing for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please do press the thumbs up button and also press the subscribe button, which will be displayed right here in the bottom left parts. Thank you so much for your support and for your comments. This was Mike the Tech Savvy. I wish you a great day. Bye.